Bynta balai Jong Meghalaya'A's Talent Identification Program TID kabala pelat patba do Menteri Rangba ukonrat ki sangma bat Menteri ketnat ki kamelek kai uba Shakler Wajri. Iaid Shaphrang ha keleng ki district hapok kejela lakershan da ketnat Sports and Youth Affairs kani ke program ka angnut ban tenjo ye kisap Jong kishpau hajar ngut ki khena palat hendriu hajar arspa sau phui ngut ki khena kila sha tenjo ya kasap Jong ki hadu menta. Ha kabala shamru bagi kena ki bedon sab ha ke district but kinthop yaki iha po ampati but Southwest Garo Hills ka TID kade ka scientific testing program na ka Bynta ki kamele kai ka ba angnut ban pin itho yaki samla jongki nongele kai but ban yarap ya ka jilla ban job shu ha ka jingele kai ha ka national but international rukumjo.
We are very happy that we are in this third edition also we are finding more talent. In the first edition we tested 4,500 out of which 200 met the benchmark. Again now in the second edition last year 10,000 we tested, 200 met the benchmark. They are undergoing training as we speak, and out of the first edition 11 reach super elite level, and they are in our camp and being trained, mentored by Olympians. We hope they will also, one day represent the state at the national level and hopefully at the international level.